and Gyan here. Today I'll be telling you about protein. So if you take away water from your body, there's 80% of protein. So protein is really important for you in your body. Do you know how much protein you need every day? Every 1 kg includes 0.8 gram of protein or 800 milligram of protein. So if you're 20 kg, then you need 16 gram of protein every day. So here's how you can get protein. This is paneer. It is also rich in protein. Sprouts is not that rich, but you can have sprouts. Soya is richer than paneer. Chickpeas and beans. So if you are in Sweden, you can get this Apetania paneer. But do not eat the protein powder because your digestive system is not ready for it. It's mostly for adults, or it's only for adults. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel.